जय श्रीमन्नारायण.
O Lakshmana, while Rama is walking, the beautiness behind his walk, the beautiness behind his postures, the dignity behind his walk, even all the devatas also gets completely paused while looking at that. That kind of great walk and dignified walk and beautiful walk Rama has. Do not get that kind of paused and hypnotized. You have to be very careful. So you please make sure you are always alert in taking care of Sita and Rama. Oh Lakshmana, remember this. Vyasani va samruddho va gatiresha tava nagha. Even when we are in troubles, even when we are in so many pleasures, even when we are so happy, at all times, at all circumstances, at all places, our only goal is Rama. Rama is only our goal. Sumitra Devi telling all these great words to Lakshmana and then saying that, oh Lakshmana, Rama is the eldest one, you are the youngest one. So you should be serving eldest one. That is the Sanatana Dharma. You have to be doing that. Do not go against our Sanatana Dharma. Like this, Sumitra Devi teaching so many good words to Lakshmana. What is going to happen next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Sumitra Devi teaching very good words to her son Lakshmana Swami, saying that, oh Lakshmana, be alert in serving Sita and Rama. Do never think about us. Do never let your father, do never let me, do never let this kingdom come into your thoughts. The moment you think about us, you would not be able to pay attention in service of Sita and Rama. Oh Lakshmana, that is why from now onwards you start thinking like this. Ramam Dasaratham Vidhi, Mam Vidhi Janakatmajam, Ayodhyam Atavim Vidhi, Gachatata Yadha Sukham. Oh Lakshmana, from now onwards, Rama is your father, Sita is your mother, the forest is your kingdom Ayodhya. Having all those things run in your thoughts like that, keep keep always alert in serving of Rama and Sita, in service of Rama and Sita. Oh Lakshmana, now you all can go like that. Sumitra Devi, when giving her permission to Lakshmana, Sumantra came and told Rama, saying that, oh Rama, Rajaputra, the chariot is ready. Radhamaroha Bhadrante Rajaputra Mahayasaha. Oh Rama, the chariot is ready. You all please get into chariot. When Sumantra said like that, Sitamma got into chariot. And Rama Lakshmana also got into the Radham. Sitamma got all her things which were given by her father-in-law Dasharatha Maharaju. All the clothes, all the ornaments. She kept everything along with her in the Radham. Rama and Lakshmana, they also kept all of their weapons along with them in chariot. Also along with that, Rama and Lakshmana taking one small basket also. Babhuva nagare murcha balamurcha janasya cha. Now the slowly Sumantra is driving the chariot. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Shloka, a Gita Shloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these shlokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita Sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.